Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Trial shows tirzepatide may benefit people with obesity, kidney disease and heart failure. The drug tirzepatide improved kidney function and cardiovascular outcomes among patients with obesity and heart failure with preserved ejection fraction (HFpEF) compared with placebo at 1 year, according to study published in Journal of the American College of Cardiology. The overall rate of cardiovascular death or worsening heart failure, the trial's primary endpoint, was higher in the 60% of study participants who also had chronic kidney disease. However, tirzepatide reduced the risk of the primary endpoint to a similar degree in patients with and without kidney disease. In the new analysis of data from the SUMMIT trial, researchers focused on patients with obesity, chronic kidney disease and heart failure with preserved ejection fraction because they commonly have interacting root causes and are associated with poor outcomes, indicating a significant unmet need. The SUMMIT trial enrolled 731 patients with heart failure with preserved ejection fraction and a body mass index of 30 square meters per kilogram or higher. About 60% of the study participants also had chronic kidney disease. Half were randomly assigned to receive tirzepatide and half received a placebo. Neither patients nor their clinicians were aware of which regimen they had been assigned. At 1 year, patients taking tirzepatide had a 38% lower rate of cardiovascular death or worsening heart failure compared with the placebo group. The researchers used two strategies for assessing kidney function, measuring creatinine and cystatin C at 12, 24 and 52 weeks. Ultimately, participants taking tirzepatide showed significant improvements over those taking placebo in terms of both markers of kidney function, although the results showed different patterns over time and among different patient groups.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.